Absentia, represented by Vicar General Vian Sande and the clergy, Your Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honourable Deputy Speaker of Parliament and your wife, the former Prime Minister of Uganda and your wife, the ministers present, the MPs present, the generals present, the business community present, the relatives and friends of our family present, all protocol observed. We are gathered here today to remember and honor the life of a resilient, reliable and truly remarkable gentleman. My name is Harold Byamujisha, and on behalf of all the children, I want to thank you all for coming today to join us celebrate our dad's life well lived. Before I deliver my speech, I will request my siblings to introduce themselves.
One of anyway, and every time we wanted something, I got sent to go ask for it because there was a high chance we would get it if I asked for it. However, he was a father that had no special treatment. You know, when you look at all the great wealth and, you know, everything that he has amassed, it's easy to assume that he handed out a lot to his children. But I can speak for myself that we worked for everything that we earned we got from him. You know, and he taught me to be wise with my money and to live within my means. And my favorite thing about my father was his heart. You know, a lot of people give great contributions, but it's not about how much money you give. It's always about the heart behind the giving. And my father always gave out of the little he had to not just only us, but all of you here, which is why you're here. And on a personal note, I feel deeply robbed of my father's life. I'm an unmarried daughter. I deeply feel regretful and sorrowful that he will not be there at my wedding day. And all I can say to you, Dad, is I will dearly, dearly miss you with all my heart. I have so much to say, but I know we need to be mindful of everyone else's time. I have a sister called Jackie Kamusime, and I do follow her in the family, and she sent some words that I would love to read that she offered to Dad as well. She says, "Dear Dad, I didn't believe it when I heard the news of your passing. When I saw the horrible pictures of your lifeless body laying on the road, that's when I finally believed that you're gone. I was shattered, hurt, in despair and disbelief, an absolute shock to all centers of my being. Dad, the accident that claimed your life, you had been on the road so many times before, but this time, God called you home. Maybe he understood your pain, that kind of pain you can't explain to a living soul. The Lord knew that you were calling on to him to lead you home. Mom went before you, and I pray that the angels are watching over both of you together. This life is fleeting. You used every breath in your body to make other people's lives better through your work, through your religion, and through the way you lived your life. Honorable, gracious, and humble. Yours is a mark of excellence. Yours is a mark of a life well lived. No matter what you were going through, each morning I watched you get up and do better. You were full of energy, strong and spirited. You gave and gave and gave and forgave and forgave and forgave, and for that I know God will grant you his eternal kingdom. I will miss your wisdom. I will miss the beautiful moments we shared together. I will miss you asking me to do research for you on all kinds of things. I will miss your listening ear. I will miss your compassion above all. I will miss the love you knew how to give me. My earthly father, you were one of a kind, a force to be reckoned with, a dime in a dozen. I pray that a memoir can be written about your life that will inspire people to rise from the ashes like a phoenix, to transcend all limitations no matter the cards life has dealt them. Your life shows me that anyone can truly be anything that they want to be, and we should all have the liberty to do just that. You remind me of Richard Branson, a dyslexic entrepreneur that now builds spaceships to the moon. Yours was to lift people out of poverty through your numerous businesses, even if you dropped out of school because you were dyslexic and nobody understood that at the time. You overcame that limitation and you made a true impact on several communities, not just in Uganda, but across East Africa.
So many things came against you, but you kept carrying on. You have taught me so much: courage, bravery, strength. You are loved.
Kuba bari gura St. Luke, Daddy anterere miyaja ataza msingo utwerere sente tidadi tinamanye zindabaza kwana ntikonkazi ndakwenti nizoruhanga rampire yagira ataza bana mwe muhezira haruhanga shitinisa ntashizira haruhanga shitinisa nizingahe twashika ati ntiwarabyemanyira kare najya nti ezo urarebe zirije nizo ndabe mbasize so nahazi ngo woherereza anterere simu twashika yaje ati we bari kumbekekerezi tujyona kuniwo jombekire ntinyoko ati nekinataho so byone bibagamba ngo dada yombekire kerezi ejo kereziya agitira mama nigeye minje akaragira ati mwana wanje ati nkanze ngo renda kuba umusista so nabuti yatwaracengamira na mama barabicengambira konkanye wenyine ubusasi tinyene byo kugamba byone binyine hamutima tinkabaza kubigamba konkambira ndamuterera buri sande mukashesha ari kunya breakfast tuganira sometimes too very serious turagamba having to life just life so ezo sande zo kumuterera simu ndaza misinga mnonga habwo kuba mbire ndaguma ndareba bwo kuba time difference ahindi ni shaha 10 so mbira ndaguma ndareba mpaka yimucire kugira ngo mbanze namutere simu takagire kubyama so God.
Mwasiba muta mwebale kuija twabashemererwa omuka yitu nyowe nanye tinyine byingi byokugamba habwo kuba nyowe mbire ndasiba na muzeyi ndakora na muzeyi izobe eri muzeyi yatungaga accident nkajya nawe ranch twashitama yangira ngo kishiki namjya nti kasigazi ya twasheka kuyajya ngo abwenki washeka mutonenda nkwete kishiki namjya nti dadi nti ncyagomokire munonga titokabasa kunyeta kishiki. So my father was a hilarious man. My father was a noble man. My father was a countryman. And my father was God-fearing. So mugebyo byona ruhanga yasharamu kumwegaruliza. Ngeno ndabashaba. Mwena bali hanu. Koko mwijo mu bwinji. Mugume mutwatireho. Mutukunzire. Kandi twabali abyo barakora mu business yeye ndabashaba mwe abuturakora nimwe mutuyambe murebe ngo business yitu yagumizamo omumisho because all we are looking for now is continuity and we have to move on. Mwebale munonga ruhanga abembe mbere abali kuzagarukayo kandi mugume muratushabira ruhanga bakumi. All protocols observed. Nyobaranyeta Nisima Patience. I'm married to Muhumza Patrick from Bunyoro. And as he always praised me, my photocopy, my twin. Nyokamara kwega mu 2005 namutira ngenda kuza kwegera yanjira kutoka nsigaho so atandika gukora nawe. All my life I've lived with him. He gave me a chance to work with him. Later yanyikiriza ku supplying all his workers with food. So I've been taking care of the staff welfare in the factory, which we hope will continue, and we have to hold his legacy. Daddy has been so special to me. On that eve of the morning, he called me and told me
Ninsima, chef wanje taliho. That's how he called Muzeyi Kanagize. Chef wanje taliho. Ntekera ndi kuja kulira aho. Mbone kuza Kabale, nyine kuza kuzika munywani wanje. Muzeyi namutekera yisha namugabulira. Ibyo kurya Aneti yaragira ngo bakarya hamwe. Yasigaye yampa assignment. Yangira ati naruga Kabale. Shange binakuragira gukora wabiherize. Rero tubone kugumizamo turebe nko turabitwaze. Ecyanshasha no kugira ngo byabirarenda kungambira. Yavuga tabingambire. Konka mukama ayamutwara. Ndagira no hamushemerire. Ndaza kumumisinga. Muzeyi na nyine personal relationship nawe. Nebi twaturikora hamwe tutakabimazira. Bashabe mukama wampa amana. Kandi ngira kwikiriza ngo biraza kuba. Muzeyi mukama kwecumuro kirungi. Akushikiza umushana gutalirara. Uhumuro mu businje. Shankwataho umunonga akuba urwo rwakana kuko bagamba bona tukaturya emeze nangwa twamara cyamushana twatambara hamwe turasheka taganyo naza Kabale atumara amaya mugenzi munywani witu ubutubire turakora nawe kwiyatungira ubuze buso twaza kushendekeza ntabwo rwizoba mukuru wanjye anetagira ati tutahe ngira ati turenda kukera nyesa kare kuyiturira meeting reka tuvuge motoka imwe mwayabo kuvuga motoka ibiri ntabwo asheka ati ni watandikire economies zo kukekereza tumaze matembera ni kweli tutambara hamwe tutaha mu motoka yeye ngambo yenu omuntu yakwisya nkomuka akambisya muka nashanga y'abana nangwa ndabanza no kwanjura no mucara wanje kweyongera gift Maria nebyeye musasine nanayibwa but ngugu ni mucara wanje muterere sima ngira haza ati niho nasimbura mbali akari ha mirimo ati nanyaho ndahikiroko ntoke ndikambe ndi nabana so taha munju ushanga abana bari gukora homework ngira nti mubanze mwanya chai tuganira basi munda chika cyo munonga mukuru wanje anterere simereshara tinenshi nanyi muterere imiziga niyo yanyakwira byakurasiriho nko muri kubireba najya ntoke kandi nyakurogumpa ati ndihi tumweno yo kunganye tukoreke tuze kwakora ma nuko amahurire gashangire gasyo konka mukama amuhereze icyumuro cyihorere mwebare muno.
My wife, Mrs. Vivian Agaba, the newly wedded couple. All my life I've been staying with Muzeyi under the same roof. So when Muzeyi was taken, I had enjoyed a lot of time with him. In the last 4 years since my mom had passed, we were staying only 2 people in the house. So yambuza Peter, I want you to tell him Dr. and just to go mukazi. Na janti, Muzeyi, mpa mutime. So kuna kuishi yeye aba true, nkatunga mukazi wanje, mukama yagira kamutware. 4 days later, after my wedding, nayebuza, but why? So I've been wondering, but I realized all those dinners and breakfasts, we would spend Sundays together the whole day. I got so much wisdom and knowledge, access people were looking to for his knowledge and wisdom he imparted on me. So Muzeyi, thank you. Okachinkorera, ndaza kuteka makaga njeje, make you proud. Thank you. Rest in peace.
Nyowe relationship mpango na Muzeyi tukaba turi nk'abasurukare turagamba byinji hamwe, we just look at our faces, tugambe na misho gitu, and we just smile. So nyowe life yanje kuyanko mu 2011, nyowe turagandi driver wa muzeyi, inyamuretaga ba driver be baba batariho no maremuretaga mu cyaro Christmas, ningahene mirimo yarenda gukora. So mu byoko kuvuga turebwa advice buce nabwo turasiga turi nk'abasoroka yutaragamba byinji, kubangara rya simara arenda ku resting. So we just move. So the last beautiful time we spent together jatuka turi Nairobi recently, akara chira kufuna headaches, so it was for checkups Aga Khan hospital. What was interesting is that tukarara mu room emwe obutanda buce bubiri, akagira ngo turashishe sete tizireba ibiro ka turare mu karumu kamwe. So nanye nachikiriza because he is my leader. So but I noticed something about his routine okwara byama okwari mukakushabasha 11 nokwara kora ubusasaizi buce nari cyankwataho because at our age turachira kubyama munonga. So anyway, that little experience to Joke Nairobi, it was a very good experience. Then obashe mbere yo kujja kunuya mbire ndi nawe nabwe kuno mu cyaro tukaza kuzika ife mu Kenyanya twagaruka waramanzani kurya embaga akariyo no wabo fire sides za Cherero yasendika amabugo. So he's a man of the people, yarakunda kujja kuno every month. Then the last time obwabirari mu church yiteje impe ya yombekire twaturi hamwe twayeshongora munonga that day akaro kwaya nunji munonga, and I saw he was very happy abahane set. So probably that was a good bye for him. So nyewe, I'm a single man. I think I'm the last single man mu brothers banje. Omukazi wanje akayamurebire turabatiza last year, yamumanya yamukunda, so I think she's blessed. So ndagira muraza ku supporting ngo muze atachariho kubanyondenda nkore mbaga yanje next year. So nibyebyo nyo muze ndamukunda munwa munjeri yanje. Rest in peace, my dear father. I love you so much. And to me very please.
Mukama simu tinga bahurire mukama simu amazina no kwetwa nibanyita Apostle Roland Naturinda. Ndio muhereza w'enjiri hariho ebintu bishatu ebinkozire ekindi omu magara g'egyensigi ntakabigambire ogune mukyara wanje birungishire Naturinda twine abaana babiri omushomwe n'omwojo. The first thing that has made me who I am today is God himself through Christ. The second thing that has made me who I am today was the mother that brought me into this world. The values she instilled in us, and the morals, and the respect for people. Last but not least, the general that lies before us today.